Hi guys, naminid daw. Oh my gosh. So squishy. Oh my gosh. Look. It's glitter. Oh my gosh. Glitter dumpling nino guys. Hi guys. Hindi na dumpling nito. Ni daw nagsulat og silop pinuguli mi. Naku nakita ni daw guys. Pero mahal ka. Ayun na.
May panito, 70.
Gold. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Diba? Naay, gamay na dumpling pag 20.
Pag 20. Bibwas ako, guys. Bibwas ako, girl. Yung mag...
Joke. Yan na.
Okay, guys. It's the dumpling.
Enough! Wait, lagi kita ni.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Diba, daghan na nag-likes. Pag-post na ko sa...
Unsa?
Sa YouTube. So guys, this is the prettiest. I actually found a dumpling over there, small dumpling, just 20 bucks. Yes, and I see a big dumpling, and like it's 70 bucks. Yes,
Big dumpling dito, tag 75.
75. 75 bucks. Yes, guys. Oh my gosh. Sige. Ayun. Wow. So fresh. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Oh my gosh. So fresh.
Hawidi ka ini. Hawidi ka ini. Gahi kayo na.
Goy kayo. Yes, so magbisaya dito karon kay Bisaya man ko. Bisaya man ko, guys. Di man ko English, guys. Bisaya man ko, guys. Sorry, but Bisaya ko, bitch. Shut up.
Wala nakita.
Ay, sorry, guys. Wala din ko na. Lolo. Lolo, guys. Sapit na hulog. Ay, pakita na ka siya sa bukisa. Wow, so glittery. Oh my gosh.
Nag-glitter ka do.
Glitter kay guys. May glitter ka. Oh my gosh! Glitter kay guys. So this is actually so good, guys. Nahulog yung singing ko. Sorry guys, but I need to go back this. I need to go back. That's my sister over there. Staisa. Staisa! Nag-push dito ko yun. Oh my gosh. The fuck? Sabat dara tablet eh. Literally kayo guys. Oh my gosh. Shut the fuck up. It's 2:32. 2 p.m. Yes, guys, this is the end. Ay, dito na dito, bitch. Wala ka dara, bitch. Kuya. Wow. Iya daw kidala kong bagyawa ka, bitch na. What's up, di? What's ang bag? Bag? Bag ba day ni? Kani bag? Guys, blood kayo, guys.
Shut the fuck up.
Kita ko lang, guys. Bye.